What's up, everyone? If you've been looking for a legitimate way to make money using AI in 2026, you need to pay attention to what I'm about to show you. I'm going to break down exactly how people are making $10,000 per month or more with this AI side hustle. And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is a real business model that's working right now. Let me be clear from the start. I'm not going to promise you'll make $10,000 in your first month. That would be dishonest. But what I am going to show you is a proven system that people are using to build serious income. And if you put in the work, there's no reason you can't get there too. So what is this side hustle? It's AI-powered content creation for businesses. And before you click away thinking this is saturated or too competitive, let me explain why this opportunity is actually bigger now than it's ever been. Here's the thing. We're in this weird transition period where everyone knows AI exists. Everyone knows they should be using it, but most business owners have no idea how to actually implement it into their operations. They're overwhelmed, they're confused, and they're willing to pay good money to someone who can help them. According to recent surveys, over 80% of small business owners want to use AI to grow their business, but less than 30% have actually started. That gap? That's your opportunity. The businesses that need this most are local service providers. Real estate agents, dentists, chiropractors, lawyers, accountants, insurance agents, personal trainers, consultants. These people are great at what they do, but they don't have time to learn AI tools, and they definitely don't have time to create content consistently. Let me break down the service package that's generating $10,000 per month for people doing this. You're offering AI-powered content creation and management. Specifically, you're helping businesses create blog posts, social media content, email newsletters, video scripts, and ad copy using AI tools, but with the human touch that makes it actually work. Here's a typical package structure that works. The basic package at around $1,000 per month includes 4 blog posts, 20 social media posts, and 2 email newsletters, all AI assisted, but edited and optimized by you. The mid-tier package at $2,000 per month adds video scripts, ad copy, and more frequent posting schedules. The premium package at $3,000 to $5,000 per month is full content management. Everything in the lower tiers, plus strategy, analytics, and direct posting to their platforms. Do the math. If you land just 3 mid-tier clients, you're at $6,000 per month. Add 2 basic clients, and you're over $8,000. 1 premium client alone gets you a third of the way there. The beautiful part about this business is that the barrier to entry is incredibly low. You don't need expensive software or a huge team. Here's what you actually need. First, Claude, ChatGPT, or another AI writing assistant. I personally prefer Claude for longer form content because it maintains context better, but honestly, any of the major AI tools work fine. Second, Canva for creating graphics and visual content. You can use the free version to start, but the pro version at $30 per month is worth it. Third, a social media scheduling tool like Buffer or Hootsuite. Buffer's free plan lets you manage 3 social accounts, which is enough when you're starting. Fourth, and this is optional but helpful, a tool like Jasper or copy.ai, if you want templates specifically built for marketing copy. But honestly, Claude or ChatGPT can do everything these tools do if you know how to prompt them correctly. That's it. Your total monthly cost to run this business can be under $100. Now let's talk about the system that separates people making $10,000 per month from people who try this and give up after 2 weeks. The secret is this. You're not just using AI to generate content and sending it directly to clients. That's amateur hour, and clients will see through it immediately. Instead, you're using AI to do the heavy lifting. Then you're adding the strategy, the local knowledge, the brand voice, and the final polish that makes it actually valuable. Here's my exact workflow. First, I have an intake call with the client, where I learn about their business, their target audience, their goals, and most importantly, their brand voice. I record this call with permission. Then I create a brand guide document. I feed information from our call into Claude and have it create a comprehensive brand voice guide, content pillars, and a content calendar. This takes maybe an hour. Next, I use AI to generate the first draft of all content. For a blog post, I give Claude the topic, the target keywords, the brand voice guide, and any specific points the client wants to hit. It generates an outline, then a full draft. And this is crucial. I edit everything. I add local references, I inject personality, I make sure the facts are accurate, and I optimize for SEO if it's a blog post. This is where the value is. I'm spending maybe 30 minutes per blog post on editing, but that 30 minutes is what makes a $250 blog post worth $250 instead of $25. After that, I send everything to the client for approval in a Google Doc or a project management tool like Trello. Most clients approve with minimal changes because I've done my homework up front. Finally, I schedule or publish the content according to our agreement. This is where most people get stuck, so pay attention because I'm going to give you the exact outreach strategy that works. Forget about posting on social media, hoping clients will come to you. That takes forever. Instead, you're going to do direct outreach to local businesses. Here's what you do. Make a list of 50 businesses in your area that fit the profile I mentioned earlier. Real estate agents, dentists, lawyers, whatever. You can find these on Google Maps, Yelp, or local business directories. Now here's the key. Before you reach out, you're going to do something for them for free. No, I don't mean work for free. I mean, you're going to create a sample piece of content for their business that they didn't ask for. Go to their website, look at their blog if they have one, check out their social media. Then use AI to create one really good blog post or a week's worth of social media posts for them. Make it specific to their business. Make it good. Then you send them an email. Here's a template that works. Hi, I'm helping real estate agents in Denver attract more clients through AI-powered content. I noticed you haven't posted on your blog in 3 months. I actually created a sample blog post for your business about spring home selling tips that I think your audience would love. No obligation, I'm just sharing it because I think it could help. If you'd like to see it, just reply to this email. Would you be open to a quick 15-minute call to discuss how content like this could help you get more clients? Your hit rate on this approach should be around 10 to 20%, meaning out of 50 emails, you should get 5 to 10 responses. Out of those, you should close 2 to 4 clients if your samples are good and your pitch is solid. That's $2,000 to $4,000 per month from 1 day of outreach and sample creation. Once you have your first few clients and you're delivering results, scaling is actually pretty straightforward. First, you raise your prices. Once you have testimonials and case studies, you can charge more. That basic package that was $1,000, it's now $2,500. Do that across 3 clients, and you just added $1,500 to your monthly revenue without adding any work. Second, you get referrals. Every happy client knows other business owners. I incentivize referrals by offering a free month of service for every new client they send my way. This alone has doubled my client base. Third, you create a simple case study for each client showing the results you've gotten them. More website traffic, more social media engagement, more leads. You use these case studies in your outreach, and your conversion rate goes way up. Fourth, and this is where you really scale, you bring on a virtual assistant or a junior content creator to help with the editing and scheduling. You can hire someone for $15 to $20 per hour who can handle a lot of the day-to-day work while you focus on client acquisition and strategy. Here's what scaling looks like in practice. Month 1, you land 2 clients at $1,000 each. That's $2,000. Month 2, you land 2 more clients and you're at $4,000. Month 3, you raise prices on your first clients to $1,500, land 1 more client, and you're at $7,000. Month 4, you land your first premium client at $3,000, and you're over $10,000. That's a realistic timeline if you're putting in the work. Let me save you some pain by telling you what not to do. First mistake, trying to serve everyone. Pick a niche. If you're helping real estate agents, only help real estate agents, at least at first. You'll create better content, your outreach will be more effective, and you can charge more because you're a specialist. Second mistake, under-editing the AI content. I can't stress this enough. If you're just copying and pasting AI output, clients will figure it out fast, and you'll lose them. The AI does maybe 70% of the work. You need to do the other 30%. Third mistake, not having clear processes. From day one, document everything. How you onboard clients, how you create content, how you communicate. This makes scaling so much easier. Fourth mistake, underpricing yourself. I see people charging $500 per month for packages that should be $2,000. You're providing massive value. Charge accordingly. Fifth mistake, not tracking results. Use Google Analytics, social media insights, whatever tools you have access to, and show your clients the impact you're having. This justifies your pricing and makes renewals automatic. Before we wrap up, let's have a real talk about what this actually takes. This is not passive income. You will be working. In the beginning, you might be working 20 to 30 hours per week on this side hustle. As you scale and bring on help, that can drop to 10 to 15 hours per week. You will have clients who are difficult. You will have months where you lose a client and your income dips. You will have to constantly be learning and improving because AI tools are changing rapidly. But here's what's also true. This is one of the most accessible ways to build a real business right now. You don't need a degree. You don't need years of experience. You don't need a big investment. You just need to be willing to learn, to do good work, and to stick with it. The people making $10,000 per month with this aren't special. They're not smarter than you. They just started, they stayed consistent, and they didn't give up when it got hard. If you want to make this work, here's what you do right now, today. Pick your niche. Who are you going to serve? Learn the AI tools. Spend a week getting really good at prompting Claude or ChatGPT for the type of content your niche needs. Create 3 sample pieces of content for businesses in your niche. Make them excellent. Make your list of 50 businesses to reach out to. Send your outreach emails. When you get responses, have your pitch ready. What you offer, how much it costs, and why they should work with you. That's it. 6 steps between you and your first client. Look, I know there are a million videos out there promising you easy money with AI. Most of them are garbage. This isn't that. This is a real business model that requires real work. But it's also one of the best opportunities I've seen in years for someone to build a legit income stream without a massive investment. The businesses that need this service aren't going anywhere. If anything, the demand is increasing as more business owners realize they need to be creating content consistently to stay competitive. You have everything you need to start this today. The tools are cheap, the knowledge is available, and the clients are out there waiting. The only question is, are you going to take action? If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and let me know what niche you're thinking about targeting. And if you want more content about building real businesses with AI, make sure you're subscribed. Now stop watching videos and go get your first client. I'll see you in the next one.